Okay, good morning, welcome to
FamilyMath number 764.
FamilyMath764. So, last week you and I talked about these two shapes here. What was interesting about these shapes?
So when
tetrahedron and the pyramid.
So when you combine them together, the face, there were two faces that were completely lined up to each other. They were completely flat.
Okay.
You can see that on here because you can tilt that face and put it on the ground and you can't move it at all. And same for the other face.
Well, what do you mean you can't move it at all?
So like if it was unbalanced, if it was not, if they were not equally lined up, then you could, there would be a point that was off the ground and you could sort of move it a little. But you can't on this one.
Nice, nice. And so there's one question that's actually I think pretty interesting about these two shapes that I learned actually by accident this week. But if I just put the two shapes, I disconnect them again, so I have the tetrahedron and the pyramid. Which one of these do you think has a larger volume?
I think the pyramid does.
Okay, how come?
Well, because the tetrahedron and the pyramid, they have the same. Oh, actually, they have. Actually, it looks like the tetrahedron is a little bit taller than the pyramid.
Okay.
The pyramid will have a larger base, so I think when you calculate this, they think this one will be slightly larger.
Okay, cool. What would you guess? How much more volume is in here compared to this one? Like if this had a volume of 1, what's just your guess? Like you don't need to calculate. Just guess what this one would have.
Maybe like 1/10 more volume.
1/10 more volume. So you think the volume would be
1.1.
1.1. Okay, a little bit bigger. Okay, cool. So we're going to explore this and see if we can figure out how to answer this question. We're going to have to do a little bit of calculating, but actually not that much. Okay?